Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use NordVPN on iPhone in China. If you are traveling there and want to access the internet without restrictions, this guide will help you get around internet blocks safely. Before we start, check the description below for a link to try NordVPN at a great price. First, make sure you subscribe to NordVPN before you enter China. Once you are inside the country, you may not be able to visit their website or download the app. Use the link in the description to choose your plan, sign up, and then download the NordVPN app from the App Store on your iPhone before your trip. After installing the app, open NordVPN and log in with your account details. Tap the gear icon to open Settings. In the VPN Protocol section, select Nord Links for the best performance. If Nord Links does not connect, switch to OpenVPN with TCP. Turn on the kill switch feature to make sure your internet disconnects automatically if the VPN drops, keeping your data safe. Next, connect to a server outside of China. Good choices include Japan, South Korea, Singapore, or the United States. Once connected, open Safari and visit whatismyaddress.com. If your IP address shows a different country, the VPN is working. You can now open blocked apps like Google, YouTube, or WhatsApp. If they do not load, try switching to another server or changing the VPN protocol. If you still have issues, use NordVPN's 24/7 live chat support for help. As a backup, you can also install the OpenVPN Connect app and download manual configuration files from the NordVPN website before your trip. This way, you have another connection method if the main app fails. Keep your VPN active whenever you are on public Wi-Fi or using apps that contain sensitive information. Do not uninstall the app or log out while in China, as it may be difficult to sign in again. That is how to use NordVPN on your iPhone in China. Set it up before you travel so you can stay secure and connected the entire time. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price.